if you don't remember the screen lock password to your Motorola Moto G87, in order to bypass the forgotten screen lock password and to have the access to the phone back again, you can perform hard reset of the phone. Of course, as a result, you will lose everything that you have on your phone, so you should do this only if you are certain that you will never be able to recover your password, that you will not remember it. So in that case, if you decide to perform the hard reset, first we will have to force restart our phone, because usually if we try to turn off Motorola Moto G87 and we don't know the password, then we will not be able to do so, because we need to enter the password to continue. So if that is the case, you want to press and hold the power button and hold it for like 7 seconds or so, and after that time you want to also press and hold volume down button. So let's now press and hold volume down as well. So now I am holding both power and volume down. And there we go, now we are in the fast boot mode. In here, you can use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu, and you want to use either of these buttons until you see the recovery mode written over here. Once you have it, press power button in order to confirm your selected option, and wait for the phone to restart. Then we will see the no command screen, so let's wait for that. There we go, and now you can press and hold the power button and then also press the volume up once you hold power button. So first press and hold power and then also press volume up. There we go. And now we are in the recovery mode. In here we also navigate by using volume buttons, and you want to go to the wipe data / factory reset. Once you have it selected, press power button and then over here choose factory data reset. And in case you go back to this menu of this main menu of recovery mode, then afterwards, once you hard reset your phone, you need to reboot your system. So choose reboot system now and confirm with the power button. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.